Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by working smart. Park level, chalk the rear, and loosen the wheel lugs now. Lift the car and install stands. Safety first so you can focus. Once supported, take off the wheel and clear grime around the upper control arm. You unbolt the sway bar link and the upper arm fasteners next. This frees the arm for access. Take photos of bolt orientation so you know how parts go back together. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Now you remove the old bushing. Use a hydraulic press, bench vise with appropriate adapters, or a dedicated bushing tool to push it out. Apply penetrating oil and tap around the housing if it's stubborn. Heat lightly but avoid overheating seals. Inspect the arm for cracks and clean the bore. Surface rust prevents seating. Once clean, lubricate the new bushing, align it to factory marks, and press it in squarely. Taking this slowly prevents damage and ensures correct suspension geometry. Reinstall the upper control arm and hand thread bolts, then torque to factory specs. If the manual requires, tighten with the suspension at ride height so bushings seat correctly. Put the wheel back on, lower the car, and torque the lug nuts in a star pattern. Once parked, double-check bolt torque and visually inspect for misalignment. Take a cautious test drive. Steer, brake, and listen for clunks. If you hear noise or see uneven wear, recheck torque, bushing orientation, and consider a professional alignment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.